Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to convert Google Docs to rich text. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To convert Google Docs to rich text, go to your Google Docs and open the document and then click on File tab on upper left corner, go to download, and here you will find rich text format .rtf. Click on rich text format and look, the rich text data has been downloaded. Click on show in folder and look, the file has been downloaded and the file type is rich text format. You can open the file and open in Word. This is a very easy way to convert Google Docs to rich text file. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.